These are 5 skills to make money online in 2024. You know the drill. I do not want to waste a lot of time in this video, so I'll be cutting to the point straight up. You know the drills. My name is Sam, and what I do on this channel is that I talk about online money. I talk about how you can make money online. So if this is what you want to see, I'll advise that you like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get my video anytime that I upload them. With this being said, let us go to the first way you can use to make money online. See, there are numerous ways to make money online, and if you really want to make money online, you have to first of all learn how to make money online. This brought us to the number 1, the ability to learn. If you want to make money online, the first thing you have to do is to learn how to make money online. You must know that we have over 1,000 ways to make money online, and if you want to have one solid way to make money online, you have to learn about that one solid way. If you want to have 2 ways to make money online, you have to learn about these 2 ways of making money online. For instance, everybody knows on this channel that I am a writer. I write to make money online. Then I wanted to know another ways of making money online without even writing at all. So in 2023, I bought this course because I know that without learning, I cannot make money. As you can see, I bought this course online and I studied it aggressively, and trust me, I saw results. As you can see, this is a course I bought online in 2023, and I picked every areas of which I wanted to learn. Indeed, from this course, I picked it and I learned aggressively. After I learned, I began to execute everything I have learned from this course, and trust me, I saw my results. So if you want to really make money online, trust me, you have to first of all learn how to make money online. Without wasting much of our time, let us go to the second way you can make money online in 2024. It's kind of funny when you tell people that you can make money online through self-publishing. They think that everything you have to be to make money online through self-publishing is when you are a writer. No, this is very wrong. You can be a self-publisher without being a writer. There are numerous ways to make money by self-publishing. There is coloring book, which you do not even have to write at all if you know your way around it. There is children book, of which everything that you need is low content book. Low content book is books with many images and small few text. And there are even notebooks, there are drawing books, of which you can make using Canva. You don't even have to write that. So everything that you have to use is your brain. Just think, just go to the store, buy a drawing book, buy a coloring book, buy a children book, try to model this book. Don't copy, but try to model this book. Try to build something similar to this book, and then self-publish it on Amazon, self-publish it on Kobo, self-publish it on different kind of self-publishing companies, and then you will begin to make your money online. The second way to make money online is self-publishing. People are doing this, and people are really making a lot of money doing this. For instance, if you come to Twitter and you search for this guy, Sam Bennett, you will see that this guy, according to his profile, has sold over $500,000 books on Amazon KDP, and he is not even a writer at all. According to his profile, he said, I have people who aren't authors make money by self-publishing books on Amazon. Sold 500,000 plus sold in books. He said, in 2019, I started publishing KDP books from my university bedroom. Since then, I have sold over 60,000 books, generated £350,000, over £350,000 books in sale, made over £129,000 in book royalties. So you don't have to even be a writer to start publishing book on Amazon. Everything you have to do is to know how to model a book. Like I said before, you can walk up to a bookstore, check out for low content books rather. Low content books that are without words volume. something like a drawing book, something like a coloring book, something like a joke book for children. You understand that? Just model this kind of book. Don't copy them, but model them. Create a similar book to them and publish it on Amazon. From there, you can start making money online. Alright, so let's go to the third way you can make money online in 2020. The third way you can make money online in 2024 is by content creating. Don't get me wrong, whenever people say content creation, everything they think about is to start making skits online. No, content creation is not all about making skits online. There are educational videos you can make. There are lifestyle video you can make. There are different kind of videos you can make. For example, if you are a very bright student in school, you can start making educational videos about that particular subject that you love the most. That is content. For example, if you love traveling, you can start making videos about how you traveled from one place to another. That is content. If you are a phone repairer, you know how to repair phones, start making content, start making videos about how you repair phones. This is content. If you like talking, start talking online, start making videos about you talking online. This is content, and you can start making money online via doing this. For example, I am a YouTuber. I make videos about how you can make money online, and just recently I received this email from a company that wants me to advertise one of their products for them. You understand this? You make money not only from views, from brands monetization, from brands collaboration. You make money from brands collaboration when your videos are doing great, when your content are doing great online. So start creating videos today. Start creating videos about anything that you like doing. There is money in content creation. With this being said, let us go to the next skill you can use to make money online in 2024. The number 4 skill you need to make money online in 2024 is a skill called mini importation. See, this is one of the business I wanted to start when I wanted to start making money online. This is a very interesting business to do. It's very interesting, and it's very, of course, it has its own stress, but then it is still some level stress-free. For instance, a student who wanted to start any extra money, wants to make money online, this student can start mini importation. Everything you have to do is know how to order from China. For example, there are sites like 1688, there are sites like Alibaba, AliExpress, there are sites like $1 stuff like that. So you have to just figure out this site. You have to, like I said, in the first way to make money online, the ability to learn, you have to learn about this first. You have to learn about mini importation. When you learn about it and you know these various sites you can use, you order from them just like you are ordering from Amazon, just like you are ordering from Konga, just like you are ordering from Jumia, just like you are ordering from any other Shopify, any other platform you order from. Just order them from China. When you order from China, it is very, very cheap. And then when you import it into your home country and you sell it to other people, you sell it at a higher rate so that you can make your profits. People are really doing this, and people are really making a lot of money from doing this online. Alright, so let's go to the number 5th way to make money online in 2024. The last and the least way you can use to make money online in 2024, as long as this video is concerned, is through my own very best way of making money online, which I term writing online. See, this business, I've been doing it since 2020, and I have never had a cause to regret doing this because it pays my bills. Writing online is as easy as ABC. But before you start, just like I said, in the first way to make money online is for you to learn how to write, how to make money online through this means. So if you want to start making money online through this business model, I'll be adding a link in the video description So make sure you check out this link and you make sure to learn and execute whatever video course you see in this link. Just make sure you learn, make sure you execute, and make sure you start making money online through this method. Because honestly, through this method, I've been able to make over 2 million naira online as a student living in Nigeria. And then when I graduated, I've been able to make so much money online through this business model. So what are you waiting for? Start making money online through writing online today. Alright, this is all for this video. My name is Sam, and if you want to know how to make money online, you better stick to this channel, because I make videos about online money and I will show you different ways you can make money online. I make my videos weekly, and you can always join me weekly seeing this video. With this being said, I will say see you next time.